Today's assignment is going to investigate how technology does or does not impact the way your family communicates. What does all this mean? We're going to break it down into two different steps. Step one, what ways do we communicate with our family? I have a video here. You need to click on the link and then click on this link to watch the video. The video will load, you watch the video, we'll close it after it's done, and come back here. The instructions say, the video listed many ways of communication. Some are no longer used, and some are. In the boxes below, use the paint bucket to fill in the methods we still use. So I've given you a picture of the paint bucket, and if you look up at the toolbar now, I do not have a paint bucket. But click in a box first, and then find the paint bucket. So this first box says spoken language. Now that we've clicked, ta-da, there's a paint bucket. What we need to decide is if this is still a mode of communication in our family. This is. We do still use spoken language, so we can click it as yellow. Next box says facial expressions. This is landline phone, printing press, the telegraph with Morse code, radio, television, email, video chat. Go through one box at a time and decide if it is used or not. If we still use this method, color in the box. The second step says step 2. How does technology affect our communication? This is a video I'd like you to watch next. Click and click. After the video has played for you, click the X to close it. Now, these directions want you to do the same thing, but in the boxes below, use the paint bucket to fill in the ways that improve communication in your family. These boxes say, texting friends and family to stay in touch. So you go up to the paint bucket, now that I've clicked in the box, and decide, does this improve communication in my family? Yes. For me, it's a yes. Next box. Research with Google when parents don't know answer. You decide, do you paint bucket that because it's something that improves, or is it something that does not improve communication and it's not a good thing? This box says cyberbullying. Online friends are strangers. Both of those were facts listed in the movie. No physical fitness. Hearing aids and closed captioning. Phone/device addiction. Social media lets you update all friends and family at once. Too much screen time can damage your eyes. Video chat with long-distance friends and family. For this table, go through and paint bucket color any of these that improve communication with your family. That's your assignment. When you're complete, you click the Turn In button. Thank you.